How to fix Run.vbs error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Pick Scan options. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately restart and begin a deep scan. If that didn't work, corrupted system files can cause script errors such as Run.vbs error. Running system file repairs helps restore missing or damaged files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if Windows script host is corrupted, reinstalling or repairing it can fix Run.vbs error issues. Outdated system components or missing updates can lead to errors with script execution. A recent change in system settings might have caused the error. Using System Restore to revert to an earlier state can resolve the issue. Choose a restore point from before the issues began, and click Next again.